All right, pyramid, we have to go over here. So pyramid, again, we're going to use some of the same variables we had before. So P was the perimeter of our base. Perimeter of base. H is going, or uppercase B, sorry, is the area of the base. Area of base. So our lateral area formula for a pyramid is 1/2 P times L. And remember, L is our slant height. Surface area is 1/2 P times L plus uppercase B, which is the area of our base. Remember, we're continuing with having a single base here. So for lateral and surface area, there are 3 variables we need. We need P, we need the slant height, and we need to know what the area of the base is. And that's to calculate both of them. So P is the perimeter, so we have 8 all the way around. So 8 times 4 is 32. Slant height is given. That's this guy right here coming down on a slant, which is 10. And the area of the base, it's a square. So we have 8 times 8, which is 64. So lateral area is then 1/2 P times L, which is 1/2 32 times 10, which is going to get us 160 inches squared. Surface area, you take that 160, and we are going to add the area of the base, which you already found, which was 64. And you get 224 inches squared. Okay, now, how it gets more difficult is when the base changes, because it could be any of the shapes that we had covered basically at the beginning of the chapter, 10.1 to 10.4. So 10.4, remember, was designated to everything that was a regular polygon, and that is where something like number 2 comes in, because the base is a pentagon. So base is a pentagon. So again, we need P, we need slant height, and we need area of the base. Well, P is the perimeter. All the sides are 4, and there's 5 of them, so that's 20. Slant height comes down like this, so that's 7. And the area of the base for a pentagon is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So 1/2, the apothem is already given to us, 2.8, and we already found the perimeter above, which is 20. And that gets us 28 for the area of the base. So lateral area is 1/2 P times L. So 1/2, 20 times 7. Oops. 20 times 7, which gets us 70 meters squared. And for surface area, we take that 70, and we're now going to add the 28 to it, which gets us 98 meters squared. Sometimes it's nice, and the numbers do come out to being nice whole numbers. But a lot of times when the base is something that is not just a square, say, or a triangle, you are going to end up with decimals, so just realize that. All right, let's look at number 3. So 3 is like number 2. So our base in this case is a hexagon, has 6 sides. We need to know P, we need to know our slant height, and we need to know area of the base. Well, P, each side is 6, and there are 6 of them in a hexagon, so that's 36. Slant height is right here, which is 11. And the area of the base, remember the formula is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So the apothem is 5.2, and the perimeter up above is 36. So when we multiply that, you get about 93.6 for the area of the base. So lateral area is 1/2 P times L. So 1/2 36 times 11 is 198 centimeters squared. Surface area takes that 198 and adds the area of the base, which is the 93.6. And you end up with 291.6 centimeters squared. Okay, so anytime the shape becomes a regular figure, then the work gets a little bit more complicated, just I guess in terms of finding the area of the base. So definitely review 10.4 from last week's stuff. All right, with number 4, the base here, it is a square. So we need perimeter, we need slant height, and we need area of the base. Now realize this is a pyramid that was toppled over. So if you have to move your paper, whatever you have to do, but the perimeter, this is the base. So it's 15 times 4 of them, which is 60. 15 all the way around. Slant height is 25. And the area of the base is 15 and 15, which makes 225, sorry. 225. So lateral area is 1/2, perimeter is 60, slant height is 25, giving us 750, and it's centimeters squared. And surface area takes that 750 and then adds the 225 to that, which gets us 975 centimeters squared. Now again, check the assignment that I gave because I might have taken these two